This 3D print is the polar bear designed by MatMire Makes. I printed it at 75% of the original that he had designed it at. And it took about 21.5 hours for me to print. I did print this on a raft. I have a little bit better luck printing some of these parts on rafts that have smaller positions on them. So you can see when Matt does the designs, he puts a little brim. So if I didn't print it on a raft, I would just have the brim and then there'd be some supports in there. He also designs a support for the connector in the front. So let's get this guy off of here. So there's the body. And that was the support. That's the mount for the head. Well, these have some pretty good joints on them, so the movement on this will hold up real good. You can see the big connections. Even printing this at 75%, gotta crack them off a little bit. There we go. So the legs turn. Back legs, the feet, and I got one more. Well, this is a very solid designed print. And then when it does the brim like this, it sticks on there and I have to use pliers to pull them off and then get it all straightened around. There's the inside for the connector for the head. And then the picture of the head, it will just go on here. So there's the head connected. It's kind of got a smiley face. There's another still file that has a Santa hat. So there's the polar bear.